Hello, my people. Did you accidentally select SPayLater and want to switch to cash on delivery? Don't worry, it's a quick fix. Here is how to do it. If you are still at the checkout screen, right, simply tap on payment option. It's usually set to SPayLater by default. The first pass, click on me, and next click on SPayLater. Next click select convert, and from the list of payment methods, scroll down and select cash on delivery node. Note, if code is grayed out, it means the seller or your location doesn't support it. Tap confirm, and you will see your payment method has changed. Now you can place your order and pay it when it arrives. Click next, choose tenure, and click on confirm. And that's all. If you already placed the order but haven't paid, go to My Purchase, tap on the order and see if the Change Payment Method option is available before the seller processes it. And that's everything, everyone. I invite you to subscribe, like the video if you enjoy it, and most important, share it with your friends. Until next time.